Audio Jungle.
It was going to be so easy, right? You were
Right.
gonna make tons of money. It was going to be so easy.
Totally.
Talk,
Totally.
yeah, talk us through kind of how you found laundry. How did you come to be here?
Very uninspiringly, I did see something. It was about so January 2025, I would say. I saw something on Instagram, someone unloading quarters into a bucket. And I had already had some investment, like rental investment content on my Instagram. So once the laundry content started, it was laundromat investing content. So I was like, I could do that. I was thinking about buying another property, but our market here is so competitive. It's driving the prices high. And with where the interest rates are, there's not a lot of room for margin there. So I was like,
Mm.
I have a property that's appreciated pretty well in a very popular area. I'll sell that. It was actually my very first one. So it was a little heartbreaking to give it up.
Emotional, yeah.
Yeah, but I gave birth to this other thing, the laundromat. So it was really like that January I saw things. I started reading all of the full cycle magazines or Planet Laundry at the time. Everyone, while I was traveling for work last spring, I was really busy. So I was on the airplanes just digitally reading all the
Okay.
PDFs and listening to every single podcast that I possibly could, reading all the books that I could. And in March, I was like, I'm ready to try to find a property. And I thought I would build a space out, which I know is highly discouraged your first go out, which thankfully didn't happen. My broker came back to me and said, listen, I've got a place we can see. It was an old zombie mat, no equipment. There was a contained dryer fire in the space, and the owner didn't retool. They just scrapped all the machines and up and left the place. And I walked in and I
Wow.
was like, this is gold. This is gold. All the infrastructure was there, some needed to be updated, etc. So there was an actual long lease securing period through the summer because there was a large anchor tenant who they were negotiating. Of course, they get priority once they settled that. I got my lease in September. The day after I got the lease, I was ready to go. Construction. And we got the permit January 21st, and we opened on January 21st.